Oh my god, look at that. So hello guys, welcome to the channel Judy's Life, and for today's videos we're going to cook a Chinese cabbage and tomatoes with ground beef on it. So here we go. I have this huge Chinese cabbage, some tomatoes, and one big white onion and some spring onions, jalapeno chili, and also garlic, and of course ground beef, ground black pepper, and then I have cilantro as well, and also iodized salt. And of course I'm going to put this oyster sauce from Mamacitas, and it will make my more delicious, you know. So first things first, we're going to slice this huge Chinese cabbage in lengthwise, you know. So here we go. So once we're like already done slicing the Chinese cabbage into lengthwise, guys, I need to cut them into two. And next I'm going to slice this huge tomatoes, and you see how fresh it is. And next we're going to slice this ceiling spada or jalapeno chili or pipa. I don't know how to pronounce it right, but yeah. And then here we go. We're going to slice the spring onions. Spring onions. Oh, I forgot to tell you that I'm going to add ginger as well, and I already have this onion sliced, and of course here's the one that I already done, like cutting them off from the huge, the hard part of the Chinese cabbage. And next we're going to saute. It's time for us to saute, and then I use olive oil. I put the onions first to have a sweeter taste, you know. And next I put the garlic and then ginger, and then put the tomatoes, and of course right after that as well I put the ground beef. So wait until it's like kind of cook, you know. I added the hard part of the Chinese cabbage, the like head part. Is that head part? Yeah. And now I put the leaves. And then right after that, we're going to cover it until it's totally hulpa. You know what it's luto, you know. Please adjust my English, guys, so I would like you to adjust it for me. And then voila, look, nahupla na, guys. And I already put the oyster sauce. Look. It looks so yummy already, guys. And now I can smell it really good now. And then I put the not achal, the espada, ceiling espada, or the jalapeno, and then I put sprinkle the spring onions. I think I already put the ground pepper. Pepper. Yes, I already put, I think. I forgot, but yeah. And now we're done. Yes, we're done, I think. Look at the outcome. No. Oh my god, it's given a proof for sure.